starting to collect dust.
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at another robotic vacuum. This here is the Lydsto Sweeping and Mopping Robot R1. So it's a 2-in-1. It can go and vacuum and it can go ahead and mop. Let's open it up. Oh wow, this thing is big. So this here is our robotic vacuum. Wow, that thing is heavy. Alright, so this is everything that you get. So this here is our robotic vacuum. Then you have a few different accessories. So you get 30 different disposable mop cloths. You get 7 bags for the dust collecting. You get 1 washable mop. And then you have your robotic vacuum. Got an on-off button here. Then you have your home button. You have a little tray here for the water, so you just go ahead and this will collect the water. So you want to make sure you keep this clean too. So you open the water tank and you inject the appropriate amount of water by simply opening this little tab right over here. And then it'll go ahead and place it into this place just like this. And then over here you can see on the bottom, this here's our vacuum, this here's our brush motor that spins the dust into the collector. So it only has one, which is kind of interesting to see. This here is our charger station slash collecting station. So if you open this up here, you'll see inside here is a bag. So this here will house our dust. So you just go ahead and open it up and you'll take it out just like this. And then you go ahead and dispose of this because the dust is in here. And you get 7 of those bags. So you can go ahead and buy some more too if you like. And then over here you can see the little port where the vacuum will actually attach to. And this will go ahead and get rid of the dust and put it into the system. So really cool concept, very easy to use. There is an app which we'll check out in just a little bit. So with that said, let's go ahead and try out this bad boy and see what it can do. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. So this here's our vacuum and we have our base connected to the wall. Now the way it works is quite interesting. So there's actually a tray here on the front. All you gotta do is go ahead and pull it out just like this by pushing the button down.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been removed.
So it kind of tells you what's happening whenever you do something. So in this case here, we remove the water tank, which also houses our filter for vacuuming. So you can actually see the water here kind of flowing about. So you just go ahead and lift this cap here, and then you can go ahead and fill it with the water. Now, once you fill it with water, you can go ahead and slide it back into place.
2-in-1 dust compartment with water tank has been installed.
So it just told us that we just installed the water tank. Now, right now it's in vacuum mode. In order to go ahead and activate the mopping mode, you just go ahead and take your mop piece and you go ahead and slide into place like this.
Entering mopping mode.
And it'll go ahead and tell you that it is now in mopping mode. So that's kind of neat that you can go ahead and have the 2 different functionality to go ahead and use it. Now, if I just go ahead and take this off, just go ahead and showcase the vacuuming mode. We have our main base state. So this here is our dustbin. So the dustbin serves as a purpose to go ahead and collect the dust once you're done vacuuming. So you have the autopilot mode. So for instance, if I just go ahead and put it back to the start mode. So this here is our start right here.
Charging.
I'll go ahead and hit the power button and this will go ahead and start cleaning up on its own automatically. So as it's doing this, it'll go ahead and move about. Right now it is trying to figure out where it's at. So that's kind of cool. There we go. Look at this guy go. So he's kind of cleaning around me. As you can already see, it's sweeping things underneath it. If I go ahead and click the home button here, it'll go ahead and return back to the home.
Returning to the dock to charge.
And when it returns back to the home, it'll connect to the dustbin and discharge all the dust directly into the dustbin, which you can go ahead and lift up and remove out. And without touching the dust, you've collected it. So it's kind of nice that it's all hands-free.
Starting to collect dust.
That is so cool. And that's that. So let's go ahead and open up the app next and try this thing out. So this here is our main hub. So this here is the R1. Once we've connected to it, it'll show exactly what this particular robot vacuum is seeing. So it's created a map as it kind of moved about. Now you have a few different options in the menu goes. For instance, you have the cleaning area of 1 meter, percentage of battery, cleaning time, room cleaning, spot cleaning, area cleaning. So room cleaning allows you to go ahead and pick and choose what area you want it to clean in. And spot cleaning will tell you which spot you want it to go. So you just go ahead and assign the spot, it'll go ahead and move to that spot, clean that area, and come back. You have area clean, so you can go ahead and create your specific area, which is really neat. And then you have your map editing mode and your mode settings. So you can go ahead and control how strong of a suction do you want it, how much water you want it to use in terms of mopping goes, and whatever you want to do, entirely up to you. Now you also have the remote control mode. So the remote control mode allows us to go ahead and control it as if it's an RC car. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. So I'll hit forward.
Remote control.
There we go, look at it go. So very simple to use. So you can go ahead and just drive it around if you really want to, and then use it as a remote control vacuum. So that's actually really fun. Now, if I just go ahead and bring it back towards me and stop, it's going to go ahead and start cleaning up on its own. So you can see a live feature of what's happening in real time as it's cleaning. You can see where it's at in the environment. So if you're upstairs around the house, you can go ahead and see its exact map. So in order to go ahead and access the mopping mode, all you have to do is take the mopping part, attach it to it just like this, and you're ready to use it as a mop.
Mopping mode.
So now it's in mopping mode. So it's going to go ahead and start creating water streaks based on whatever you want to use. I can change the amount of water you want it to use. So now we're using a lot of water, and you can actually see it's actually wet. That's actually really cool. So it's currently mopping, which is great for hardwood floors like this. So I can go ahead and just have it do its thing, and then when I'm done, all I do is click home and it'll go back home. How simple is that? Alright, well there you guys have it. So this here is a really cool robotic vacuum. Now if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.